Hey guys, welcome to the Part of Foundation collection video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the list of foundations that I have, which are a little bit on the expensive side, which are more than 800 bucks. Before getting into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe icon below to subscribe to my channel. So without further delay, let's quickly get into the video. So guys, in today's video, the first thing that I'm going to show you is this one. It is from the brand called PAC.
It is the PAC HD liquid foundation in shade 5.0. So guys, this is the last darker shade that they have in their range. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a glass bottle packaging along with this cute little pump attached to it, and this is how the shade looks like, guys.
This is a really good foundation. Whatever your skin type is, if you want to have a really smooth skin like finish, you can definitely opt this one. This foundation retails for 875 bucks. It's such an amazing foundation. Whatever your skin type is, you can definitely go ahead and wear this. This is not a complete full-on matte finish foundation. It gives a really nice dewy skin like finish. If you are looking for a foundation of that sort, then you can definitely go ahead and buy this one. I'm using the shade 5.0, but this one is tad bit darker to me. When I bought this one, they recommended me to pick 4.7, but 4.7 to 4.9 were unfortunately not on stock, so I just went ahead and bought this one to give it a try. So it is tad bit darker to me, but I can definitely work with this foundation. If you're 1 or 2 shades darker than me, then 5.0 will be really good match to you guys. But if you're exactly on my skin tone, then you definitely have to go ahead and check shade number 4.7 to 4.9. And the staying power of this foundation is 4 to 5 hours if you're on the oily skin side. So if you're on the dry skin side, it will definitely stay on your skin for some 5 to 6 hours, after which it turns oily on the T-zone area or wherever you tend to get oily so quickly. It is a really lightweight foundation, and for my skin type, it haven't caused any breakouts or any other issues. So if you have a sensitive skin, you can definitely purchase this one. So this one is my favorite foundation. So the next foundation that I'm going to show you is this one.
It is the NYX Total Control foundation in shade 16.5, and the shade name is Nutmeg. So guys, this is a super liquidy foundation. You can see from the video that it is so runny in consistency. It's super liquidy, it's like water. So yes, this is how the shade looks like.
Guys, trust me, if you're on the oily skin side and if you want a really lightweight, like super lightweight foundation for the summer season, then this is something you should own. It's a little bit pricey. It retails for 1,250 bucks, but still it is an amazing product and it's worth every single penny, guys. It gives a skin like finish. It will be super matte and it have a really good staying power. For me, it personally worked for some 5 to 6 hours when I was in room temperature, and when I was in an air conditioned space, it worked for me for some 7 to 8 hours. Also, it will never turn your skin too much oily. So yes, this is my most favorite foundation. So the next foundation that I'm going to show you is this one.
It is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. I'm in shade F13. This is the basic shade that I picked from the Makeup Revolution range. So talking about the price point, this retails for 850 bucks. So yes, this is how the shade looks on me, guys.
And talking about the consistency of the foundation, it is super thick and super creamy. So oily skin beauties definitely have to stay away from this foundation. Talking about this Makeup Revolution foundation and concealer and other things, they have different shade numbers, okay? So basically I belong to shade number 13. So if it is a foundation, I have to go in with the shade F13. So F stands for foundation. They prefix the foundation with F and the concealer with C. I'm not a very big fan of this stick foundation, guys. I just bought it for a trial. So I'll give a big review about this product in another video. But this one is not my personal favorite, but if you're on the dry skin side, you will definitely love this one. It's super creamy, super blendable, and very nice foundation. So yes, that's it about the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick foundation. The next product that I'm going to show you is
again from the brand Makeup Revolution. It is their Conceal and Define foundation, guys. So this is how the foundation looks on me. It is shade number 13.5. It is super thick, full coverage matte foundation, and it retails for 1,450 bucks.
The shade that I'm using is F13.5. It have a neutral undertone. I talked about this foundation in a couple of videos. So yeah, I usually work it with a highlighting concealer, so that's not a problem for me. If you're someone who is of the similar skin tone, then I would highly recommend you to pick the shade F13. This is the concealer, the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer. Both these things looks exactly similar. This foundation packaging looks like a giant version of this concealer. It had this super giant wand attached to it, which makes the application super easy. Now, talking about the consistency, it have a liquid consistency, but when applied on your skin, it settles down to a full-on matte finish, which is really good for oily skin girls, and it doesn't cause me any skin problem. If you have problematic skin or sensitive skin, you can definitely buy this one. It does not clog me, it does not clog my pores, it does not cause me any breakouts. So yes, this is my favorite foundation, guys. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is this one.
It is the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in shade Golden Bronze. So yes, this is how the packaging of the foundation looks like. It comes in a super frosty glass bottle packaging along with a black plasticky cap attached to it, and it also have a pump, so yeah, it helps in taking the right amount of product. So altogether, just one pump of this foundation is more than enough to cover the entire face, since it is a full coverage and matte finish foundation. So yes, this is how the shade Golden Bronze looks.
If you want one amazing full coverage complete matte finish foundation which goes really well on oily skin girls and that stays on for your skin for a long time, even if you dance or party or whatever you do, then this is the one, guys. This is such a long wear foundation. So again, this retails for 1,250 bucks, but most of the time you can find it in offer in Flipkart or in Amazon. You can definitely purchase them in offer. Like I bought it for 850 bucks during offer, so wait for the perfect deal and pick this one. And finally, again, this foundation is from LA Girl.
It is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating HD Foundation, and I'm in shade Warm Caramel. It retails for 1,250 bucks. So this one comes in a plastic bottle packaging and it has a pump fitted to it. So guys, this is how the shade looks on me, and just one pump is more than enough to cover the entire face. This foundation oxidizes a tad bit, but after oxidization it settles down perfectly and it suits my skin.
Again, this is a long wear HD foundation, but it is on the illuminating side. This foundation goes really well for dry skin people, so I bought it just to check how it works on my oily skin. Again, this is a super duper lightweight foundation. It's so light on your skin, you will never feel like you're wearing something on your skin. I don't know what magic they have included in this products, like both the LA Girl illuminating foundation, the LA Girl Pro Matte one which I showed earlier. Both these foundation have a super nice consistency. When they apply it on your skin, you will never feel like you're wearing something on your skin. This is something formulated for dry skin beauties, but even oily skin girls can definitely wear it. All you have to do is you have to carry a blotting tissue or a setting powder with you. So yes, that's it for the day. Hope you really enjoyed this video. If you really like this content, please give a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe icon and subscribe to my channel. So catch you soon with another beautiful content. Until it's bye from Priya. Bye bye.